Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to repost a video on TikTok. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your phone. When you find a video you want to repost, look at the bottom right corner. You will see the share icon. Tap on it. Now, keep in mind that not all creators allow reposts, but most of them do. If reposting is available, you'll see an option at the top that says Repost, with two arrows forming a circle. Tap on it to share the video as a repost. To find your reposted videos, go to your profile at the bottom right. In the middle of your profile page, you'll see the same circular arrows icon. Tap it, and you'll see all the videos you've reposted. If you ever change your mind and want to remove a repost, simply tap the share icon again on that video and select Remove Repost. And that's it. Now you know how to repost and remove reposts on TikTok.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.